Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, center armrest. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.